Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how can you fix your Likee go live problem. If you cannot go live on your Likee application, so how can you solve it? In this tutorial I am gonna show you that step by step, so stay watching carefully. And guys, before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please like and subscribe my channel. So guys, first of all you need to launch on your Likee application, and after that you need to go your camera or video icon on the bottom middle corner, and after that you can see a option live on the bottom left corner, go live option. So just tap on this live, and now there have a option you can see go live option. So just tap it, then shoot video, but there you can see you didn't go live. You cannot go live, or you cannot make live on like video. So how can you solve it, or how can you fix it? In this tutorial I'm gonna show you that step by step. So first, what should you do? So first you need to check out that go your Play Store, and then type for Likee, and after that you need to check out that your Likee apps is updated or not. There you can see my Likee apps is update. So you need to update firstly your Likee application. You need to update your Likee application. Okay, after that you need to list back. Then what should you do? Just go your phone settings, and then type or then search for apps or apps management option. There you can see apps option. So just open it, and after open it, go to permission or manage apps option, and after go to manage apps option you need to find out for Likee. Where is Likee? This is Likee. Just open it, and then first you need to clear your wall data from Likee, and after that you need to go permission option, and after go to permission multimedia option you need to allow everything. You need to allow everything on your Likee apps, and after that you need to list back. And after that I hope your Likee go live problem is solved successfully, and now your problem is solved. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.